Everyone. Hi. So I will be carrying forward the topic which where Tanveer ended about the healthy weight loss program. And fortunately, we have one of the beneficiaries of this program today, which is Harshit Juneja with us. And he has been following this diet very well and he has got tremendous benefit out of it. So we'll directly hear from him. We'll ask him some of the questions which might be running in your mind also and how he got benefited out of it. So Harshit, we would like you to introduce yourself. Where are you from and what is your profession and how you got to know about us?
First of all, thank you, Tanbir, and thanks, Vikram, for having me here. Good evening, everybody. So, I am Harshit, and I'm from Nagpur, and I've been friends with Vikram recently from the past 1 year or so, and so I've been working as a branch head in India Mart Nagpur, and then I'm also doing some US projects after that. Yeah, Vikram.
Yeah. So Harshit, we would like to know when you started this program, what was your weight then and what is your current weight now?
Back when I started, my weight was 87.4 kgs, and currently I measured it today morning. It was 75.6 or 5, something like that.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So that's a good number. That's a good number of drop. So Harshit, we would like to know. Obviously, we can see we here since there is a drop in the numbers, we can
Mm-hmm.
definitely see you got benefited in terms of weight loss. But there are certain other benefits which you might have experienced on this diet through this program. So what are
Right.
other health benefits you would have experienced? Can you please put some light on that?
Yeah. First of all, for throwing some light on that, I would like to give some background to the audience who's there. So basically, I've been working all day long. My job is from 9 to 7, but then being at such a level, you have to work past 7 also at times. And then immediately after that, I have a US shift. I'm doing a project for a US client. So it starts from like 8 p.m. in the night and it ends at 3 or 4. So I have been working for, let's say, 17 to 18 hours these days. And I was so much worried when the lockdown started, I couldn't even move. I was just sitting at a single place for hours. So it was really, I mean, a deadly experience. I was so much worried. And then I always used to see Vikram's posts and those statuses where people lost like 15 kgs, 10 kgs at a stretch in a month or in 15 days. I was like surprised. And I, out of curiosity, I just asked him one day and he introduced me to this diet. Uh, and then you see the results. I mean, it was really wonderful. It is commendable. Good job by you guys. Now, what benefit this diet gives is, personally I feel, see, I was always against dieting, to be honest. I was a gym freak before. I have had experienced abs and those zone. I was in that particular zone, but then because of the work commitments, I got lost up in everything else. So the weight started continuously, increasing, and since there was no movement, I couldn't do anything about it, and I couldn't also, back out from the work commitments. So I was really worried. Then the only way I could do something about my body was to, have some controlled eating, I felt, and a little bit of whatever I can do, like for even 5 or 10 minutes. That was something which was going around in my mind. Now the question was, I wanted to have a diet which would be best. I wanted to work out on something which could give me the best results. But then I came across Vikram. He explained me everything, and I got satisfied. I thought that let's give it a try. He's a friend. I mean, uh, what worst can happen? So I just gave it a try, and then the most beautiful thing which I like about this diet is I never felt any weakness or anything like that. I am a person who's a firm believer that if we don't eat a roti or if we don't eat any grains like rice or something like that, you you just cannot stay in your complete energy level for the day if you don't eat the complete food. If you don't drink milk, if you don't eat chapatis, if you don't eat rice, you don't feel fuller. You don't feel full at all. It is the most important ingredient, I feel. But then I was shocked to see when I started doing this diet along with the nutrition, it had gotten me feel light. I felt active. It was such an amazing experience. So this is one of the best things I like about this diet, because I have been still sitting on the on my bed, and I've been doing this for months. but then I never thought that I would lose weight like this. This is really amazing. If you guys are also working like me, or you don't get to exercise more, even if for a 20 minutes workout, Vikram recommended me if you can still work out for 15-20 minutes. I struggled for that also. Honestly, I just could walk for 10 minutes a day. That's it. That too, even after eating the second meal I had before. So overall, yeah, this was the experience so far. Yeah.
Awesome, Harshit. That tells a lot about, and that answered a lot of questions in the audience mind. As you mentioned that you didn't do pretty much any kind of workout on this plan, and there was a good drop in your weight, and there was a good drop in your benefits as a health as well. So one of the conversation we had, Harshit, where you mentioned about your skin and your hair getting improved.
Yeah.
Can you, put some a light on that part also?
Yes, absolutely. So we have had a discussion about this before as well. I would like to tell you guys also about this. So we have been having some nutrition wherein I observed that my skin is getting, it's glowing. It has a glow, and the hair also have thickened. So these were the observations, and I just asked Vikram out of curiosity that how is this happening? I mean, people actually get some gym glow if they work out and they have sweat, so they experience a gym glow. I'm not doing that. Why is this happening to me? I mean, is it because of the food I'm having, or is it because of nutrition? So he specifically mentioned that it is because of the omega, the face glow is because of the omega fish oil which I am having. So I was surprised and I was taken aback. I was like, yeah, what is happening? I mean, this is like wonderful. If I'm professionally improving, I'm improving my physical state also. So that is amazing. I really thank you guys from the bottom of my heart that I came across you, Vikram, for having me guiding me really well. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Harshit. Thank you so much for having you on this call. So obviously it was always an eye opener for most of the people who were having various doubts in the mind, various questions in the mind. And since you being one of the beneficiary, and credit goes to you as well, the dedication and the kind of effort you have done on this diet to be consistent. Credit goes to you also big time.
I would like to add something to it. You talked about dedication. I would like to tell you. See, I was also afraid that at times I'm surrounded by cookies, pastries, and cakes. So these items, come and go at my house. So I was afraid about, that whether or not I'll be able to catch up with the diet commitments. So, but then when I started, I actually, when I saw them, I could taste them from a distance, and then I felt ki, yaar, okay, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm doing good. And I didn't feel like having him. So I was satisfied, I was satiated, I did not feel like having anything like that. So I think the nutrition works like that you feel full, you don't feel like eating these stuff, but it's amazing.
Okay, thank you so much, Harshit. So
thank you, Vikram.
I would like to wind up this conversation with Harshit Tanvir back to